favorite playlist queued up in my head, leaving all the Monday blues for dead. Windows down, yeah, I feel the city breathe, a different rhythm rustling through the trees. Oh, I can feel the weekend pulse start beating in my veins, a sweet release from all the chains, from the downtown lights to the quiet lane. I'm finding my own rhythm once again. Smoke in the air, or dancing in the living room without a single care. The conversation flows so easy like the wine. These are the moments that feel